A terrific pleasure and privilege to be here at this ONDC event as part of the Startup Innovation Week that DPIIT is organizing. I am really excited to be here. I'm a member of the Advisory Council along with other distinguished members, and I really believe ONDC is an idea whose time has come.
Is ONDC really a game changer for the e-commerce industry? Will it eat up giants like Swiggy and Zomato? Is it the next revolution after UPI? Let's check out the answers to all these questions in today's episode of Vindoot. Well, आखिर ये ONDC है क्या? So ONDC is the Open Network for Digital Commerce. So basically it's a network. जैसे हमारा Facebook है ना, वो एक social network है. This is a digital network for commerce. And the mastermind for this network is none other than Mr. Nandan Nilkeni, the co-founder of Infosys. This ONDC is a Section 8 company that is a not-for-profit organization, or as we popularly know as an NPO, and it is also backed by the government of India. Well, not only this, it is also sponsored by many reputed institutes all over India. You can just check their websites, and there are almost 30 institutes which are shown on the website of ONDC. Many experts say that UPI is to banking what ONDC is going to be for e-commerce. But then सब कुछ तो ठीक चल रहा था, तो फिर why is there a need of ONDC at all? So please do watch this video till the end to get the answers for all these questions. Now first let's check out the problems faced by the buyers. The first and foremost problem for the buyers is that limited options. Let's say I am registered on Amazon, so I will get only those products which are sold on Amazon. Flipkart पे जो products है वो तो मुझे पता ही नहीं कौन से है. And apart from both these digital platforms, there are many retailers that I don't even know that they exist. या Amazon और Flipkart के बाहर भी एक कोई दुनिया है जहाँ पे लोग बेचते हैं और सस्ते में बेचते हैं और अच्छा बेचते हैं, मुझे पता ही नहीं है. The second part is that when I have to buy a few things, I have to juggle on different platforms. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल मुझे फूड ऑर्डर करना है तो मैं स्विगी पे देखूंगा, मुझे लेट्स से गार्डनिंग टूल्स ऑर्डर करना है तो मैं अमेजोन पे देखूंगा, और मुझे लेट्स से एक डाइनिंग टेबल ऑर्डर करना है तो मैं पेपर फ्राई पे देखूंगा. सो फॉर हियर आई हैव टू चेक 3 different platforms to buy 3 different things. एंड ऑल्सो मैनी ऑफ अस हम ऐसे भी करते हैं कि चलो अमेजोन पे इसका इतना प्राइस है ना, तो चलो देखते हैं फ्लिपकार्ट पे इसका कितना प्राइस होगा, तो हम वो भी कंपेयर करते हैं. सो व्हाट वी डू हियर इज वी कीप ऑन जगलिंग बिटवीन द प्लेटफॉर्म्स. बट देन हाउ विल ONDC हेल्प इन दिस? To understand, let's see how ONDC is going to work. Let's assume there are 3 buyers, Mr. A, Mr. B and Mr. C, who are registered on 3 different platforms, which is Amazon, Flipkart and eDeal respectively. Now Mr. A will only understand and know things which are registered or which are being selling on Amazon. उन्हें नहीं पता होगा कि eDeal पे क्या बिक रहा है और कितने प्राइस को बिक रहा है, unless he actually goes there, registers himself and actually checks out. So now with the help of ONDC, what happens is this one Mr. B who's registered on Flipkart will also get to know what are the products that are registered on eDeal. Similarly, जो Mr. C है who's registered on eDeal, even if it is not registered on Amazon, he will still be able to see the products and the prices at which they are being sold on Amazon. It's just like how different banks can transact with each other using UPI, जिसे हम कहते हैं interoperable network. So now because of this interoperable network, the following will be the benefits for the buyers. एक is तो we'll get a variety and different types of quality for the products available. Second is we'll also get to know the best prices. The exact thing which Trivago did for hotels, we will get for all other products or things that we want to purchase using e-commerce. Well, third is not only that, we also get to select the best delivery options available. कि मतलब जो सबसे सस्ता deliver कर रहा है, let it be the seller or some other delivery agent, we can choose that agent. And last but not the least, that we have got multiple products on one single platform, that is ONDC. You take groceries, electronics, restaurants, hotel booking, you take anything, it's going to be available on ONDC itself. Now let's also check out the problems that are being faced by sellers currently in the e-commerce industry. So the first and foremost thing is that they have got a limited reach currently. So for example, a seller who's selling on Amazon will get only those buyers who are registered with Amazon. They won't get the buyers which are registered with Flipkart. Secondly, they have to promote themselves that ये आइए हम यहाँ पे Amazon पे बेच रहे हैं. So you have to invite people to register themselves on Amazon. So it's a cost involved in that as well. Thirdly, they are bound by the terms and conditions of that platform, which they may want to or may not want to accept. And lastly, these platforms charge these sellers very high commissions. So even that hampers their pricing and their overall business. What are the benefits for the sellers then? Well, the first benefit is that they get the buyer universe. For a seller who's registered with Amazon will also get the buyer base of eDeal, Flipkart and Mcart as well. The second part is that it lowers the cost, so wherein they have to pay 20 to 30% commissions on these e-commerce platforms. Here, ONDC being a NPO, that is a not-for-profit organization, it charges only 3 to 5% commission. ONDC also provides with analytics, जो sellers को help करता है कि कौन सा product सबसे ज़्यादा बेचा जा रहा है, what should be the price, and other types of analytics. So it also helps the seller to understand what the market exactly wants from them. Beyond that, ONDC also has a lot of technology partners, the partners which help these sellers to, let's say, develop QR codes or maybe give them a AI based customer care and many such other technological things which these people may not be able to afford, but they'll get it at a reasonable rate and from trusted partners on the ONDC platform. ये तो होगी one side of the story. Now let's check out the other side of the coin. There are a few concerns about this platform. एक तो इनका कोई customer service या customer grievance cell वगैरह नहीं है. So whosoever is registered with them, they have to take care of all the customer queries. Next is to avail the benefits from this platform, you first have to register on this platform or this network. Only then you can avail. If you're not registered, so obviously you won't be able to avail these facilities. And last but not the least, the popularity. There is a lot of popularity regarding the e-platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, but ONDC as such is not so popular, but still it is in the development phase. So this may take some time for it to gain that popularity. But recently, Mr. Anand Mahindra in one of his tweets said that this really is going to be a revolution in the e-commerce industry. So when such big people or big industrialists are talking such things about this platform, हम भी थोड़ा इस पे ट्रस्ट तो कर ही सकते हैं ना यार. So let's keep our fingers crossed and see how this ONDC network actually brings the revolution in the e-commerce industry. Till then, do subscribe to our channel FinDoot and stay tuned for more such information. This was it for today. Goodbye and sayonara.